In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft Forge exit code 1. First thing you're going to do is go here, type in %. Actually, you want to type in run, then type in %appdata, click OK, open .minecraft. And here you want to go to mods. Now keep this like here. Now open Minecraft. So what I suggest you to try is basically you're gonna try to remove these and put them back. So here's what I'm gonna do. So this is Minecraft. I will first try to remove everything, and then I'll try to play. I'll try to run the game. If it works, then everything is good. Then we're gonna try to place them one by one and run the game. And whichever the one that breaks, so let's say I try this one and this one breaks, then I know that this one is the error. So you're gonna delete this one that causes the error or reinstall it. Now, if you're, let's say, removed all these and you're still having error running the game, then here's what you can do. So what you would do is first go to Google and make sure you have Java installed. So you want to type in Java, download. And here you'll go to the Java official website and make sure you download the latest version of Java. So download Java and go through the installation. So it's pretty simple, pretty basic. So you're gonna go and like run the installation. And after you're done, it's gonna tell you like Java has been installed. So once you're done, you wanna go ahead and try to run Minecraft and see if it works. Now, if you're still experiencing issues, then try to basically reinstall Forge. So you can reinstall it basically if you go here and type in Forge and go to download for Minecraft. So here is where you download Forge. Now choose your version, and once you choose it, you can just click download the installer, and here you will be able to download the installer and run it. So let me just wait for this to finish. Okay, and here is the installer. So I'm gonna wait for the installer. Okay, so the installer is done. Now I can just open the downloads, and this is Forge. You just like basically run the installer, very simple. Download the client and okay. And after you're done, try to run Minecraft, and hopefully this should fix your issue. Now if you are still facing issues, try to go to Windows Update and try to check for updates. Now sometimes when there's an update on Windows, this could actually fix some bugs and errors. So try to do this, and I suggest restarting your PC, and hopefully this should fix your issue.